Okay, I had to come on and show y'all, no filter. Look at my face. This is the Sheglam set of their, what is this called, Laud? Crystal Jelly Glaze Stick. Y'all, I know you see it. I used probably like a mix of 3, specifically one on the lip and then the highlight, but this is insane. Insanity. How beautiful and like just iridescent. Oh, I love it so much. Like if you're a sparkle girly, come, let me show you. So like I said, I bought a set of 4 and I can't confuse them all, so I can make sure. The first color I got is a Starlit Silver. So let me just go in a row and I'll show y'all. This is the Starlit Silver one. Wow. Right at the top. And this is how she looks. Okay. Wow. And really, it's more of like a silvery, like, I don't know, just really silvery. Like it's barely even picking up true on here, but I guess it is. It's as good as it's gonna get right now. So gorgeous. Then, if you're not into the silver tones, I got this one called Rosy Gem, y'all. Rosy Gem is this one right here. I did a little bit of her up here in the eyebrow. Okay. And this is how Rosy Gem looks. Wow. Can you kind of see? She's got like these really pretty purpley pink reflectives. And she's like white color. Like the stick is white, but it's got purpley pink reflective inside. I don't know the professional term, so don't be trying to come for me in the comments. Fuchsia Fun. Fuchsia Fun. Right here. Okay? Like I said, this is only for the girlies who rock with it, okay? If you love the glitter and glam, glitz, glamour, glitz, this is for you. If you're not into it, keep scrolling, Bookie, okay? So let me just show you what she looks like. Honestly, she's got like some green in there. If I'm gonna be frank, green. It's just so complex. It's not even showing up on camera. There's green, purple, gold, and the stick itself is like a fuchsia color. Wow. It looks fuchsia, but it's got all these beautiful specks of scrumdiddlyumptious. It looks so pretty in person, y'all. I'm telling you. And I don't even be like coming on here trying to sell stuff. I'm just trying to tell you what brings me joy. And honey, if it brings you joy too, we could have joy together, okay? Now this last one, Lilac Luster. Y'all, this is the money one right here. Y'all know when I talked about fuchsia, wasn't Fuchsia Flex. What is it called by Rihanna? Y'all know I got it in my purse. The one by Fenty Beauty. Somebody please put it in the comments. I'm about to look it up right now. It's one of the gloss bombs. And I just recently made a video about how much I'm obsessed. Here it is. I just found it. Icy Amethyst, y'all. Don't tell me this does not look like a dupe for Icy Amethyst by Riri. I'm telling you, even inside of this looks exactly like Icy. So Riri girl, you done spark some inspiration in these folks out here. They pulling your shine, they biting at you, girl. But this is an exact, I'm telling you, I rocks with the Icy Amethyst like every day. I know it when I see it, girl. Same blues, same really high contrast blue and purple, and it looks purpley blue inside the container. Okay, so that's my little hot take for today. I hope you all have enjoyed me geeking out over all these gorgeous colors. Oh my goodness. Get you some, girl. Get you some. Okay. All right. Bye.